How you doing? Hope you're having a good night, good day, whatever it is for you. So, somewhat they keep asking me how I do these large prints, okay? The massive ones. So, I want to show you exactly how it's done. I told y'all to think outside the box, but I guess, you know, thinking outside the box is not a good explanation, so I guess I have to just explain it. So, the first thing you have to do is design your design, make your design for those large, massive prints, okay? It's not something you adjust in Catalink, it's not something you adjust on your printer. It's you have to make them that way. You have to design them that way. So let me show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is two different designs, okay? This one is the top half of the design. Alright? And then this one is the bottom half of the design. So as you can see, it's two images I'm blending together to make one design. Alright? So let me go show you what it looks like. So I want to press a shirt. Okay, so this is a shirt, and here are the prints. Top one and bottom one. So when it goes on a shirt, you put it on like this. Alright, so it goes on the shirt looking like that. There it is. So, okay, so it goes on the shirt looking like this, okay? As you can see, top half, bottom half. And you combine together and make one big massive print. This thing from here to here is 16 inches, and from up the top to down here is 20 inches. All right, so that's a 16 by 20 design right there from an Epson 8550, which is a 13-inch printer. And that's how you do this whole thing. And when I press it out, I'll show you exactly what it looks like, okay? You know what? I'm gonna show you exactly how I press it out, because you have to press them in sequence. You can't just press them both together like this. All right, so let me show you that part real quick. Hold on. Put it up here. Maybe you get a better. There you have a better view up there. Okay, so if you're fortunate enough to own a 16 by 25, I think it's a 24 inch, 16 by 24 inch, you can press this thing in your press. Unfortunately, I don't have one. I only have a 15-inch printer, 15-inch press, not printer, 15-inch press. So I have to use my, let me show it to you. My handheld heat press, and I'll show you exactly how you get it done. So you do the top half first. You don't do the bottom half. You always do the top half first. This is the back of the shirt. Let me flip it around. Alright, so I always get rid of my lint. You don't really have to, but I like to. It makes the shirt look nicer. I'm recording. I am recording. So, you get your little iron, and then you press. You move it around just to make sure you get all the spots. You do the cooling. Yeah, I don't like this sheet. It's a cool peel sheet. The other sheet I like to use is a hot peel. This one don't come off, but it's hot. Now, let's do the second half. And you just press it again. Same way like you did the top half. Then you get your Teflon sheet. You can start from the top or the bottom, it doesn't matter. Same thing again. Just watch, make sure you don't burn the other design. Sorry, the other part of the design. Move it up. Press again. Again, if you have one of those big 16 by 24 inch press, you don't have to worry about doing this. You just put the whole thing in there and press the whole thing one time. But for someone like me, who have one of these little Cricut things or a 15 inch press, we got to do it the long way. And that's it. That's how you do the big large prints. Let me show it to you. There it is. One massive print on the back of your sweater, jacket, t-shirt, whatever you want to put it on. And that was, as you can see, was two separate pieces. Now it's just one solid piece. Peace.
Step up your A game, step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.